We are going to start with trigonometry, right? So if this is a right angle triangle, right? This is this is theta, right? This is of 90 degree. So side adjacent to angle, side side adjacent to angle is base, right? So if I say this is A, B and C, मतलब triangle ABC right angle at B, that is of 90 degree, therefore their base is BC, right? So it is adjacent to angle theta, right? And side opposite to side opposite to angle known as perpendicular, known as perpendicular. Perpendicular. So therefore, that is AB, right? And lastly, side opposite to 90 degree, side opposite to 90 degree, known as side opposite to 90 degree, known as hypotenuse, hypotenuse. As 90 degree angle, 90 degree angle fixed in right angle triangle, in right angle triangle. So hypotenuse also constant, right? Did you understand what I said? What? I do not understand what I said. It means what I said and what you interpreted, that is wrong. Either I am not able to explain you, either you don't understand. Point is that what I tried to explain you, this is a ABC is a right angle triangle. Any right angle triangle. It is ABC, there may be PQR, there may be XYZ, whatever it is. In right angle triangle, one angle will be of 90 degree. Right? मतलब in right angled triangle, one angle of 90 degree. It is universal truth. If it is a right angle triangle, then one angle of 90 degrees. Right? Similarly, side opposite to 90 degree, side opposite to 90 degree, known as hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. So what I said, if 90 degree is fixed, then hypotenuse also fixed, है ना? अगर 90 डिग्री फिक्स है तो हाइपोटेन्यूज भी फिक्स है, right? But angles are changing. This is 90, this is theta. So how much will be this? Maybe 90 minus theta, है ना? So sum of all interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. One angle is of 90 degree, so 180 minus 90 becomes 90. The remaining two angle sum will be 90 degree. If one is theta, so other will be 90 minus theta. And if this 90 minus theta we call phi. So this is angle phi. When you consider this angle theta, so for sine theta, perpendicular is AB, hypotenuse is AC. For cos theta, base is BC, and base is BC and hypotenuse is AC. And for tan theta, perpendicular is AB and base is BC. Baki inverse, right? Cosec theta is equal to AC upon AB. Sec theta is equal to AC upon BC, and cot theta is equal to BC upon AC, BC upon AB. Fine. This is when we have considered sine theta. Now, if I take sine phi, so it becomes sine phi for this. Now this is base, this is perpendicular. For this angle, this is base, and this is perpendicular. So for sine phi, BC upon AC, And what is sine phi? Sine phi can be written as sine 90 minus theta. That is equal to BC upon AC. And BC upon AC यहाँ पे क्या लिखा हुआ है? Cos theta. So it means cos theta. So you get sine 90 minus theta. Sine 90 minus theta, you get cos theta. Get it? Right. Now similarly, if I write sine cosec phi, is equal to cosec phi means base. It means AB. Phi के लिए this is base. So AB upon AC. Right, and this is known as cos phi is known as cos 90 minus theta is equal to AB upon AC. So that is equal to So called sin theta. So we get cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. I hope you understand this much better. Okay. If I say tan phi, if I say tan phi, so we can write AB upon BC. Sorry, the tan phi is equal to perpendicular upon, so BC upon AB, BC upon AB. Getting? And when it is BC upon AB, when it is BC upon AB, then what happens? BC upon AB. So we can write tan 90 minus theta, tan 90 minus theta is equal to BC upon AB. And that is what? BC upon AB is cot theta. So you can write here cot theta, right? So it means tan 90 minus theta, tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. I hope you understand. Okay. So what for remaining? Should I run this? Yes. So I'm going to run this. Yeah. Very good. So now, so as you know, sine theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sine theta. 1 upon sine theta. So it becomes 1 upon perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So it can be write as height upon perpendicular. Cosec. Cosec theta. Right? So cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Similarly, if I write cos theta, that is equal to base upon hypotenuse. So sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta, that is 1 upon, oh my god, this is cosec, I'm always. So that is base upon hypotenuse. So it will go hypotenuse upon base. So sec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon base. Fine. And if I write tan theta, so tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. So cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. So we can write 1 upon perpendicular upon base is equal to base upon perpendicular. So so cot theta, cot theta is equal to base upon perpendicular, right? And I told you sine theta, sine 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta, cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sine theta, tan 90 minus theta, tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta or or cot 90 minus theta, cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. And we have, cosec, cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta, and sec 90 minus theta, sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta, right? So this is we have. These are the formulas. This is the concept we have, right? There is very pretty language concept we have that is known as Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole. Did you heard about this? Badri Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole. Right? So basically what happens, this is sine, this is cos, this is tan, right? And if you go inverse of this, if you go inverse of this, so it becomes, it is cosec, this is sec, sec, and this is cot. So this is we called Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole. Hmm? Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole. Right. Now, one more thing is left in this, that tan theta can also be written as sine theta, sine theta upon cos theta, right? Tan theta can be written as sine theta upon tan theta, sorry. Tan theta is equal to sine theta upon cos theta, and as you know, tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta, right? 1 upon cot theta, 1 upon cot theta, right? So when this cot theta, so we can write it what? I do not know. Cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. So we can write 1 upon sine theta upon cos theta. So it goes cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sine theta. Sine theta. Get it? So cot theta is cos theta. Cot theta is cos theta upon sine theta. Tan theta is sine theta upon cos theta. I hope you better understand this, right? These two, right? Has he written? If you not write, then taking screenshot is not sufficient. You will not learn. Then should I rub this? Hello. Should I rub this? Okay. Now this is a right angle triangle, right? This is right angle triangle. This is of 90 degree. This is A. This is B. This is C. This angle is theta. Right? So as as angle C is equal to theta, therefore sin theta is equal to AB upon AC. Cos theta is equal to cos theta is equal to what? Cos theta is equal to BC upon AC, AC, and and tan theta is equal to AB upon BC, AB upon BC, and we write cosec theta, we write cosec theta, that is cosec inverse, that is AC upon AB, right? Sec is sec theta is equal to AC upon BC, AC upon BC, and cot theta is equal to BC upon AB, BC upon AB. Fine, very smart. Now, by by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, right? Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Do you know what is Pythagoras theorem? The square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of square of two other sides. Right? This is Pythagoras theorem we have. Yeah. The square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of square of squares of two other sides. Two other sides. We are not mentioning their perpendicular or base because perpendicular and base are variables. They are depending upon the angle, right? So theorem is like that. We interpret it like that. Okay. So with this, what is AB? Now here it is clear that this is the angle theta we are taking. So with reference to that, we are having perpendicular is AB. You know, this is there is perpendicular and a perpendicular because no confusion. We are only considering this, and this is the base, right? And this is definitely hypotenuse. Got it? So now we put the values that AC squared is equal to AB squared plus BC squared, right? Now by by uh, by, uh, by dividing both side both side by AC 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 square, by dividing both side by AC square, then what happens? AC square upon AC square is equal to AB square upon AC square plus BC square upon AB square. Fine. This AB square and AB square is cancelled out. This is 1. So 1 is equal to AB upon AC whole square plus BC. Oh, sorry. This is also, we have to multiply with divide by AC square. Na? So here will be of AC square. So AB upon AC whole square. So 1 is equal to AB upon AC is sin theta. Square लगा हुआ है, square is there, so we can write as sin square theta plus BC upon AC whole square is equal to cos square theta, right? So this is your formula that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, right? I hope you understand. And other variables are sin square theta. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, or we can write cos square theta. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. I hope you get it. You written? Do it, man. Uh, done now? Now you did? Okay. One more. Should I rub? I'll rub this, here, from here only, right? From here only. You can rub. So now by dividing, by dividing, dividing both sides, both sides by AB square. Then what happens? AC square upon AB square is equal to AB square upon AB square plus BC square upon AB square. This AB and AB cancel out, you get 1, right? We can write AC upon AB whole square is equal to 1 plus BC upon AB whole square. Could you tell me what is AC upon AB? It is cosec square theta. This is cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus, is equal to 1 plus BC upon AB means cot square theta. Cot square, cot square theta. Yeah, that's it. So this is the question we have. Now, if you write it cosec square theta minus cot square theta, then you get 1, right? Or you can write cosec square theta, cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. Get it? So this is you have done. Oh, done. Done. Okay. So what next we will do? What do you assume? Can you assume anything? Nothing can be assumed by you. I know that. What is difference between philosophy? Achha, can you tell me what is fire? Is it a solid, liquid, or gas? Can you tell me? I'm asking what is fire? What is fire? Solid, liquid, or gas? Solid. How it can be solid? It is not compressible. So what it is? Fire is plasma, man. Plasma. It is neither solid, neither gas. Plasma, right? is a state of matter. Fire belongs to a state of matter which we call plasma. Right? Yeah? I hope you understand. I hope it is very good question. Right? Anyways. Now come to the point. Both side, both side, both side dividing by BC square. Right? Then what happens? Can you assume what kind of miracle will happen? AC square upon BC square is equal to AB square upon BC square plus BC square upon BC square. Get it? Very good girl you are. Please understand. So this is cancelled out. You get 1. Right? And now we get, now we can write AC upon BC whole square is equal to AB upon BC whole square plus 1. Fine. What is AC upon BC? This is. That is known as sec square theta. Sec square theta. And AB upon BC is tan square theta. Tan square theta. Tan square theta plus 1. Right? So you can write sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Yeah? Or you can write sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. Done? Okay. Could I rub this? Okay. So, which I am going to tell you, that is the thing which I remember only from my teacher who told me mathematics in class 9. Trigonometry. Who told me trigonometry in class 9 when during my childhood. Only this thing I remember. Nothing else. Nothing with this. Nothing with this. Right? I forget all the things. But this thing I remember. Very good. You should concentrate on this. You know, we here we will write standard angles. Right? This is BB. Yeah, this is relation, right? And this is theta, right? So 0 degree upon 30 degree upon 45 degree upon 60 degree upon 90 degree. These are the standard angles, right? These are the standard angles. Fine. So first, what we do, we write sine theta, right? Sine theta, except this 0, how many angles are there? Left this 0. Huh? 4. Okay. So I will write here 0 upon 4, 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4, and 4 upon 4. Right? And take square root of all. Take square root of all. Getting? Then what happens? 0 upon 4 is 0. Square root of 0, it means it is 0. So sine 0 degree is 0. Right? If you take 1 upon 4, it means 1 upon 2. So sine 30 is 1 upon 2. Right? 1 upon 2. If you take 2 1 are 2, 2 2s are 4. So you get 1 upon root 2. 1 upon root 2. So sine 45 is 1 upon root 2. 1 upon root 2. If we take this, then what happens? This is root 3 upon 2. This is sine 60 degree. And then we have root 1. Root 1 is equal to 1. Sine 90 is 1. Right? So 0 to theta degree, 0 to 90 degree, values increases. Right? Matlab 0 to 1 it is increasing. Right? It is an increasing order. Okay, very nice. Now what is? Now we have cos theta, right? Cos theta, so 0 degree to 90 degree values decreases, right? So in that case, what we will do, we will do inverse. We will do inverse. So we will start here from 4 upon 4, then 3 upon 4, then 2 upon 4, then we have 1 upon 4, then we have 0 upon 4. We are taking square root of all this, right? So what you get? This is 1. So square root of 1 is equal to 1. So cos 0 is 1, right? This is, root 3 by 2. So cos 30 is root 3 by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. It becomes 1 upon root 2. So cos 45 is 1 upon root 2. And if we take cos 60, so it is 1 upon 2. And this is root 0 becomes 0. So this is, we have cos theta, right? So this is the cos theta we have. Now, if I talk about, tan theta. If I say tan theta, then what happens? What is tan theta? Tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta, right? So we have 0 upon 1 is equal to 0, right? And then you take 1 upon 2 divided by root 3 by 2. So this 2 and 2 cancel out. You get 1 upon root 3. Here it is 1 upon root 2 upon 1 upon root 2, so you get 1, and here uh, you get root 3 by 2 upon 1 upon 2, 2 and 2 cancel out, you get root 3, and here it is 1 upon 0, 1 upon 0, it becomes not defined, right? I hope you understand this. Yeah, this is the way how we can remember this table since long. Remainings are quite easy, nothing to be done in that, as you have cosec theta. Cosec theta. It is inverse of 1 upon sine theta. Right? So 0, 0 upon 1 upon 0, 1 upon 0. Not defined. Not defined. This is 1 upon 0. Right? Then this is 2. This is root 2. This is 2 upon root 3. And this is 1. Get it? Now next is we have sec theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos. 1 upon cos theta. So 1 upon 1 is equal to 1. Right? And this is 2 upon root 3. Then we get root 2. Then uh, we get 2. Okay, 2. And then again we get 1 upon 0. Not it. Right? Similarly, you can go with cot theta. Right? So this is the way how you can get the remember the value of tables for longer time. Right? I hope you understand. So I'm going. Can I grab this? Can I grab this? Okay. You should remember one thing more in this series, that sine 45 is equal to cos 45. Means sine theta is equal to cosec theta when theta is equal to 45 degree. Get it? I hope you understand. Should I have this? I have. You said I did. Right? I would like to share with you, that is sine A plus B is equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sin B, right? And sine A minus B is equal to cos A sin B minus minus sin A cos B, right? And when you have cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, right? And you have cos cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus cos sin A sin B, right? I hope this is minus, right? And then we have tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. And if you write tan A minus B, then it becomes tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. This much you written.